So I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the LUSH kitchen subscription box for April. Honestly, firstly, I can't quite believe that we are already diving into the April box. I feel like this year is absolutely flying by. It's making me feel a little bit sick. Anyway, obviously that is point one. Point two, I am so excited about this month's box because I have seen zero spoilers, and I feel like that's the first time in a good few months where I haven't seen any, sneak peeks of the theme or any sneak peeks of the products. I am so excited to dive into this month's box. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. It always seems like a good idea to open the box together, but every single time I've done it, it's never opened it in one swift motion. How disappointing. Okay, let's try the other side. There we go. Okay, so let's dive into the box. I am going to... Ooh! Oh, I love that they've done this again. Okay, so if you guys didn't see last month, they basically made it so it was a box inside a box, and they've done that again this month. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Now that I've seen this, I'm thinking it has to be Easter themed, doesn't it? So that is obviously going to be the vibe. So cute. I cannot wait to see what we have, and obviously, as all the others, you should be able to slide it out, and I'm going to try not to peek in the box. First thing we have is this. This is the Lucky Bunny Shower Jelly, and this one says nuzzle up with this sweet jelly bunny to cleanse and soften the skin and burrow into scrummy smelling vanilla peppermint sweetness. That sounds delicious. In terms of ingredients, this one has carrageenan extract, vegan white chocolate, peppermint oil, vanilla absolute, and sweet wild orange oil. Let's give it a smell and see what it's like. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is a bunny face, and I feel like I'm not going to get this out because it is going to go absolutely everywhere, but can you see kind of what it looks like? Have a little look. It is really cute. We've had this smell before. What is that? Okay, initially when you smell it, I think, oh, garden, but it's not. It kind of smells, I don't want to say a minty orange because that's a really obvious description, but it is, you've got that peppermint kind of undertone to it, but you also can really smell that vanilla and that orange. I feel like you can smell every single ingredient that's in this, and that is what it smells like. It actually smells really good though. It has almost a slight like butterball smell to it, and when I say that, I mean, you know when you smell a butterball and it has that scent that like really hits you in the back of the throat? That is kind of what this is doing, but that's actually really nice. Yeah, I love that. So again, this is the packaging. Really cute. Again, as always, I love that they change up the labels. It just makes it seem a lot more special and unique, which I love. So that is the first item. Quite happy with that. Okay, so the next item is a soap, and we have had this one before. This is the carrot soap, which is so cute. I'm not gonna lie. Is it really great being a triangle? I feel like sometimes when it's this shape, it is almost a little bit difficult to use. It could just be me, but it is still so cute anyway. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fresh carrot infusion, we've also got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, tangerine oil, cedarwood oil, we've also got carrot powder, benzoyl resinoid. That does not smell how I remember it smelling. Oh, stop, wait, that is so good. What is that? It's got a really like sweet fruity smell to it. Oh my god, that's so good. It's almost like mouth-watering. That's the only way I can describe it. Like, it's a very mouth-watering, fruity, sour smell. That is so good. I absolutely love that. And again, it is in the shape of a teeny tiny little carrot, which is really cute. If I'm being honest, I never find myself really overly excited about solid soap, mainly because I find that they last so long, so I feel like I always have to just change them out just to kind of get my use out of them all. But this is definitely one I will use over the Easter holidays. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, that is delicious. Okay, the next item we have... Oh, wait, isn't that the name of a book? This is the Heavenly Bodies Buttercream. I feel like there is a book that came out recently called Heavenly Bodies. Am I making that up? Hang on, I'm going to have to check. Yes, there is. Heavenly Bodies is a book. It has just, I think, come out fairly recently. It is this one. That is what I was thinking of. So, not sure if that was the inspiration for this one, but this is a buttercream. So, on this one, it says, Cocoa Absolute, real natural chocolate perfume, organic cocoa butter, and fresh orange juice. Bless you with saintly soft skin. It's a chocoholic's dream. And ingredients-wise in this one, it has got things like orange blossom water, rapeseed oil, orange juice, fair trade organic cocoa butter, jojoba oil, orange zest, sandalwood oil, Brazilian orange oil, aloe gel. I need to smell this right now. I'm a bit of a weird person with chocolate smells, so before I smell this one, I am a bit iffy with like the fake chocolate smell. Like Posh chocolate I really enjoy. However, if when I was younger anyone ever gave out like a chocolate scented lip gloss or something, not a bit of me, absolutely hated it. So these ones are always going to be kind of hit and miss for me depending on whether I like the smell or not. So, ooh. Wait, do you use this in the shower? I forget. Yes, you do. So it's basically like Posh chocolate, kind of. It kind of smells like Posh chocolate. Oh no, it smells like Terry's chocolate orange. Oh, shut up. That smells insane. It's a Terry's chocolate orange in a body wash. I cannot. I just want to eat that. Like that is, oh my god, that is so good. It looks like this. It's like a very thick, creamy kind of texture. You basically put some on the skin, wash it off in the shower. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh my goodness. And again, this is what the packaging looks like. So beautiful. Very kind of springy, Easter themed. I absolutely love the purple. And that, I'm dribbling. I can't, honestly. Okay, next up is a shower gel. And this one, ooh, okay, this is the chocolate orange shower gel. And this one says, have some quality time in the shower with this rich chocolatey cocoa powder and fresh orange infusion wash. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fresh orange infusion. We've also got cocoa butter, cocoa absolute, Brazilian orange oil, tangerine oil, and vanilla absolute. I am again scared to smell this, but if this smells like a Terry's chocolate orange, I think I might actually combust where I'm sat right now. Okay, please smell good. Please smell good. Are you kidding? That smells, if somebody put this under my nose and I was blindfolded, I think it would be a piece of chocolate orange. Like, it is so accurate. It's unbelievable. This is what it looks like. It is a brown, very rich kind of colour. Oh my goodness. I want to eat that. Is it bad if I eat some? I kind of want to. I can confirm it doesn't taste like chocolate orange. No, I don't know why I did that. Oh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. I also absolutely love it when you get the medium-sized bottles in the kitchen boxes. It's such good value for money because I think, to be honest, this on its own would probably be around like what, 12, 13 pounds maybe, and I think in this box we pay maybe 35, so quite a good value I think. But that, if you like Posh chocolate and you love a Terry's chocolate orange, insane. Okay, and last but definitely not least, ooh, okay, this is the Perfume Behind Your Ears Solid Perfume. This is so cute. Do you know what's interesting as well? Is that they've put it in one of these containers because they did swap them for the kind of like twisty, pushy little black ones, but this one is the old packaging, and let's have a little look at the ingredients. So this one has jojoba oil, it also has castor oil, it has neroli oil, jasmine absolute, rose oil, and I think that's basically it. Let's give it a smell and see. Oh yeah, that is so good. It's floral. It's a very subtle floral. Like, if this was part of the Bridgerton range, like, I wouldn't be surprised. Like, it smells like a bouquet of flowers. It's beautiful. Very subtle. So good. I'm just gonna have to... Oh, that's so lovely. Again, very fresh. Really great for this time of year. If you love those fresh, floral, subtle kind of smells, you will love something like this. And again, this is the Perfume Behind Your Ears. I think this one might actually be the same fragrance as the Wash Behind Your Ears shower gel that came out a few years ago. But yeah, it's really good. It's just very floral. If you like a floral bouquet of flowers, fresh flower smell, you will love this one. So that is everything for this month's Lush Kitchen subscription box. I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? What did you think? Honestly, I really, really enjoyed myself. I will say, obviously, as you guys know, I do get the shower boxes, but there is also the bath box and the XL box. I do contemplate getting it, but I do think I don't really need the products, but I would love to have seen kind of of what products came out for the bath stuff, so I might have to do a little bit of research after this video. But I am so excited to use this, but not only this, to pair this with this. I am so excited about it. It is going to be heavenly. Heavenly, so good. And yeah, I'm just really impressed with this month's box, so I would love to know, as always, your thoughts and opinions down below. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love for you to join my corner of the internet. We have just hit over 12.3 thousand of you, which I honestly cannot believe, and I'm just so incredibly grateful, and I love you guys just so much. It is ridiculous. I'm just so thankful. And if you guys want to join our corner of the internet, please make sure you subscribe. That is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.